What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani, and welcome back to my channel. I'm grateful that you're here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 big tips of things that I've learned throwing, hosting, and attending networking events, learning events, conference events, and industry events, trade shows, large, small, local, across the country, or even world for that matter. I want to share with you a couple things that I think I would tell anyone that either works with me at SCE Event Group or that are friends of mine, and I thought it would be a great addition to this channel since we are on the cusp of the DJ Expo happening in Atlantic City, New Jersey just next week. And as we are setting up our final drive for the DJ Collective in Nashville, Tennessee this coming November, I think this video can help people that are planning on attending any one of these events with some just foundational information so that you set yourself up for success, so that your investment of all the things are worth everything and you found great value in attending the event that you are going to. So before I get into the tips, I think it's really important to understand the framework of the event that you're planning on attending. What is this show known for? What are the experiences going to be? Who is going to be attending this show? Where is it going to be held? What's going on at that property? Do your homework, almost like recon on the event as a whole, and try to get a good understanding for the total experience, end to end, from the day before it starts to the day after it ends. This leads us to the first piece of advice, and it's to have a plan. I think having a plan before you attend any type of event like a conference, a trade show, industry event, or whatever is really, really, really important. And the larger the show and the longer the show, the more you might have in your plan. Of course, every business is going to be a little bit different and every show might have different goals for you. But I think if you have a plan of how you want to attack the show and attach your plan to maybe 3 or 4 reasonable and obtainable goals, I think if you have that in mind before you arrive on site to that event, to that experience, to that show, to that conference, I think you set yourself up for incredible success. Make it about whatever you need to make yourself better, to make your business better, and really your purpose of going there. Is it to attain more contacts and to build your Rolodex with more networking opportunities? Is it to secure new business? Is it to find more equipment, new equipment, what's new on the market? Is it to learn about technology? Is it to attend workshops, seminars, or presentations? Whatever your goal is, write it out and keep it with you, either handwritten in something that you're going to be carrying with you, or put it in your notes application on your phone. Make sure you really take some time to come up with a plan that will ensure success attending this upcoming event. Number 2 is check your ego at the door. It doesn't matter how successful you are, what you've done, how many events you do, how many songs are in your music library, what equipment you're using at your events. Check your ego at the door. This really pertains to the DJ world specifically, and for DJs specifically. You never know where someone is at in their career, and be open to new information, new relationships, new technology, and new experiences as a whole. Number 3 is about the schedule. I think staying on top of the schedule is incredibly important. If you're attending a conference, a show, an event, an experience, or whatever, and they're using an app platform to manage and to communicate their calendar, their schedule of events, and the things that are upcoming for each and every day, make sure that you're reviewing that calendar, that schedule, not just in the morning when you wake up, but a couple of times during the day. You would be surprised how many times I've attended a show or been part of a show or was hosting a show or was doing the DJing for a show, and the schedule needed to shift based on complexities in people's calendars, events, attendees, or whatever. And while I'm at it, and to combine with this tip, I would say if you're attending an experience, a show, or whatever, make sure that you do as much as you possibly can, but make sure that you also have some time for yourself to check your email, to continue conversations that may have started in the hallways. Make sure you attend as many of the events that are held within that conference structure as possible, and make sure that you participate even in the after hours events if they have them. Make sure that you leave a little time each and every day so that you can go through your emails, you can return phone calls, text messages, and or you can continue conversations that you may have started with other attendees attending the show that maybe you kicked it with when you were having lunch, a conversation that started when you were getting coffee in the morning. These conversations typically are gold, and those are the conversations that make many shows worth attending. It's the sideline conversations, it's the hallway conversations, it's the little things that sometimes are the big things at these types of events. Make sure that you have a little bit of time somewhere in your day to account for those opportunities. Number 4 is all about keeping your head head on straight. And there's a lot of ways that anyone can interpret this. I think that it's so important to know that even if you're attending an event in a crazy party city with a crazy party vibe, that you keep your head on straight. And I'm not saying not to have fun, not to let loose, not to turn up, not to take that third shot. I'm just saying know your limits. Trust me, keep it together and it'll be good luck on you. I'm going to break in with a bonus tip. Number 5, make sure that you have business cards on you. Make sure that your social media accounts are scrubbed and up to date. Make sure that you are ready and positioned well if asked to present your business card, or if someone asks for your number or wants to link up with you on Instagram or TikTok. So have your stuff together, have it ready to go, and it'll help you make this event a success. Now I want to give you another tip, another bonus tip. So this is my 6th tip for this video, and that is if you see someone that inspires you, you see someone that you follow, you see someone that you like the work that they do, or that has impacted you in some way, shape, or form, whether they've been a DJ, they've been a speaker, they presented, they helped you with a video, whatever. If you see someone that you might know but don't know, you know them from social media, you know them from something else, don't be shy. Go on up, say what's up, introduce yourself, give them one of those business cards, let them know that you appreciate what they do. If it's something that you appreciate what they do, let them know that you're thankful for whatever it is that you've got from them, or just let them know that you appreciate their craft or whatever it is. When you take that first step, you never know the relationship, the opportunity, or what can come of it. So don't be afraid to say what's up to someone that inspires you, that's helped you, that's been someone that you've been following, because that relationship could take off from that point in time. Offer them to buy a cup of coffee, offer them to get a drink, offer to take them out to dinner if it's someone that you really like. Anyway, do this. I promise it'll set you up for an incredible experience at your upcoming event, and it could open up and unlock a relationship that you didn't even know that could be possible with this person. Take this tip. I promise it's a good one. I want to talk to you really quick. We have the DJ Collective Experience official launching this coming November, and it will be in Nashville, Tennessee. It's going to take place November 15th through 18th. It's a show that now is in its 5th year of coming together, and I am so insanely pumped about it. If you'd like to get some information about it, we've got just over 30 seats remaining. I'm going to put information in the description field down below. Click on it, learn about it, check out the video content. Man, it's everything. Learning opportunities, networking opportunities, experiences that are just unlike anything else in our industry. And we really try to take the culmination of learning, experience, talent, and just amazing people and bring it together in a way that is unlike anything else that is found in the entertainment world for DJs. And I'd love to invite you to check it out. And if you are interested in joining us and have not yet secured a ticket, I would highly encourage you to consider jumping on board, because we have just over 30 seats left. And once we sell out, we sell out. Anyway, I'm going to put information in the description field down below. I'd be honored if you check it out. And I hope you could join us if you're down. Information is in the description field down below. If you have a question you'd like to add to the conversation, throw it in the comments down below. And I appreciate you checking out this video right here on the channel. Much love to all. We'll see you in another video really soon. Thanks for watching.